Okay, today we're videoing the Brown & Sharpe number 2 universal cylindrical and ID grinder. Right now the head is down. Is the spindle on? No. Yes, the spindle's running. Spindle's running right now, very quiet. You can see the workhead's moving. Workhead has a variable speed knob here. We have it feeding back and forth. We also have the Infeed feeding in. The head swivels on it. And select your dwell, where you want it to feed. What is this one? Table speed?
No, that's for how much you want the cross feed.
Oh, that's the amount of your in-feed, cross-feed? Okay, there you go.
This is table speed.
Ah, this is the table speed. Very good. Okay, and then can we turn off the spindle and then turn on the internal? There's your internal spindle. I don't know what RPM it's set up for right now. There you have it. The table swivels as well as the workhead swivels. Okay, thanks for viewing our Brown & Sharpe number 2 cylindrical grinder or IDOD grinder. It's now wired to 20 volts. Thank you.